In this video, we'll show you how to take care of your leather jacket so that it lasts you for years. Everyone loves leather jackets. They are stylish, comfortable, and keep you warm in the winter. But if you don't know how to take care of them, they can start to look old and worn out pretty quickly. That's why in this video, we'll show you some simple ways to clean and protect your jacket so it always looks great. So let's get started. A leather jacket is a great investment. It's perfect for those chillier days and nights, and can really add some edge to your look. But how do you take care of a leather jacket? Here are some tips to keep your jacket looking fabulous for years to come. Leather jackets are a wardrobe staple that can last a lifetime, but only if they are properly cared for. They are also a great investment piece because if you take care of them properly, they will last for years. Whether you're the proud owner of a new leather jacket or you're trying to keep your vintage piece in tip-top shape, leather jackets are a classic style that never seems to go out of fashion. These jackets can be quite expensive, so it's important to know how to take care of them. There are many benefits to owning a leather jacket. Leather is a durable material that will protect you from the elements and keep you warm in cold weather. It is also a very stylish material that can be dressed up or down. A well-made leather jacket will only get better with age as it develops a unique patina from its exposure to the elements. If you are considering purchasing a leather jacket, it is important to know how to take care of it. Here are some tips on how to care for your jacket. Store your jacket in a cool, dry place when you're not wearing it. Avoid storing it in direct sunlight or in a humid environment, as this can cause the leather to dry out and crack. If your jacket gets wet, let it air dry naturally at room temperature. Do not put it near a heat source, as this can cause the leather to shrink or warp. Once your jacket is dry, apply a leather conditioner to keep the material soft and pliable. Avoid using harsh cleaners or saddle soap, as these can damage the leather. If your jacket starts to develop wrinkles or cracks, you can use a soft cloth to buff out the imperfections. Leather jackets come in a variety of styles and leather materials, each with its own unique benefits and drawbacks. Here is a quick overview of the most popular types and popular styles of leather jackets on the market today. Nubuck leather jackets. Nubuck leather is made from buffing the top layer of cowhide to create a soft, velvety surface. Nubuck leather jackets are extremely durable and resistant to staining, but they can be difficult to care for and require special cleaning products. Suede leather jackets. Suede leather is made from the innermost layer of cowhide, which makes it softer and more flexible than other types of leather. Suede leather jackets are very popular, but they are also very delicate and require careful cleaning and maintenance. Bomber leather jackets. Bomber leather jackets are characterized by their fitted silhouette and ribbed collar, cuffs, and hem. Bomber jackets are typically made from cowhide or lambskin, which makes them durable and long-lasting. Motorcycle leather jackets. Motorcycle leather jackets are designed to protect riders from the elements while riding. Motorcycle jackets are usually made from heavy-duty cowhide or buffalo hide and feature numerous pockets for holding tools and other items. Here are a few tips on how to choose the right leather jacket. Go for quality over quantity. It's better to have one well-made jacket that will last you for years than to have several cheap ones that will fall apart after a few months. Pick a style that suits you. There are many different styles of leather jackets, from the classic bomber to the trendy moto. Choose one that you feel comfortable wearing and that flatters your figure. Make sure it fits. A leather jacket should be fitted but not too tight. You should be able to move your arms freely and button it all the way up without it feeling like it's straining at the seams. Think about the future. When choosing a leather jacket, keep in mind that it will age over time and develop its own unique character. Choose a style and color that you think will look even better with a little wear and tear. How to care for your leather jacket. Your leather jacket is an investment. By properly caring for it, you can prolong its life and keep it looking great for seasons to come. To extend the lifespan of your leather and keep it looking its best, follow these tips. Hang your jacket on a sturdy clothes hanger when you're not wearing it. This will help it keep its shape. Use a leather cleaner and clean it by hand. Never clean a leather jacket with a washing machine. If your jacket gets wet, let it tear dry at room temperature. Never put it in the dryer or near a heat source, as this could damage the leather. Brush the jacket regularly with a soft cloth to remove dirt and surface debris. Clean the jacket with a mild leather cleaner every few months, or as needed. Have the jacket professionally cleaned and conditioned every year or two by a qualified specialist. You must condition a leather jacket. Condition the leather monthly with a quality leather conditioner. Every few months, lightly condition your leather with a leather conditioner product to keep it soft and supple. Avoid getting the conditioner on any metal hardware, as this could cause corrosion. How you store your jacket is just as important as how you wear it and how you care for it. Ideally, you should hang your jacket up in a cool, dark closet on a padded hanger. If you must store it in a suitcase or garment bag, make sure to wrap it in acid-free tissue paper first. You should also avoid storing your jacket in direct sunlight, as this can fade the leather. An ideal spot would be a garment bag in the back of your closet. You've got a leather jacket that's in need of repair. You're in luck. Professional leather repair shops are a great idea. But, unlike other materials, leather is actually pretty easy to fix at home. All you'll need is a little time, patience, and the right supplies, like repair adhesive. Here's a step-by-step guide to repairing your leather jacket. 1. Start by cleaning the area around the damage. This will help the repair adhesive bond better. 2. Apply adhesive to both the jacket and the patch. You can use either a store-bought adhesive or make your own using equal parts white glue and water. 3. Place the patch over the hole or tear and press down firmly. Use something heavy to weigh it down overnight so that it can dry completely. 4. Once the patch is dry, you can trim away any excess with a sharp knife or scissors. Then buff the area with a soft cloth to make it blend in with the rest of the jacket. A quality leather jacket is a timeless wardrobe staple that can last you a lifetime, but only if you take care of it properly. By following the tips in this video, you'll be on your way to keeping your leather jacket looking great for years to come. Do you have any other tips for caring for a leather jacket? Share them with us in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.